watch over here. Your voice is behind us.
Jim, stop. Cover that.
What's up with those two guys all the way down there? There's two, right? There's two guys all the way down there. There's two guys right there. I don't think they're... I think he's on our team. Yeah. Looks like they're going to the safe zone anyway. Okay, they're on our team, right?
Yeah.
Alright, looks like they're going to the safe zone anyway. Got him! Sneaky fuck you!
You cocksucker!
But alright, hurry up, go spawn in, hurry up. Nice job. Is that an MP? Is that a Marui?
Have ever looking in one direction. Jim, how are we looking over there? We're good. Alright, the berm. Hey, now we're good over there, says Jim.
Alright, this looks clear down here.
Be prepared for unexpected shoots. ADOT.
Yo.
Let's use the berm to move up and then go down the trail.
Yeah.
We're going to use the berm to move up. This is AJ and Brian's sniper team. We've linked up with ADOT's team. We're using a berm near the island to move up. Spawn should be clear. We relocated. We're now with ADOT's team. We're on our way to get the flag. I got a negative on the flag. I can't find it. We're looking for it. It's compromised.
It had to have been MDOT who took it.
Roger. ADOT, do you know where that is?
What?
The MSR.
What's that?
Repeat, where is the MSR?
Guys, we got contact right there.
Where?
They're looking to come right in, right here. They're coming up the stationary. It looks like they're coming in.
They got to go back to their spawn.
Uh,
They can't start shooting.
well, no, one guy I saw.
Okay, we're starting to get in here. Let's move.
Alright, never mind. False alarm.
Hey, Dad, do you want to prone that up on top of here? Yeah. Or do you want to start?
Yeah, but would it really be fair to do that? I mean, this is the border of a field and stationary.
No.
And people are going to bitch about being shot in the stationary.
They got to get it into their cone. Only thing we know about the flag is that I don't think it's in their cone yet because they haven't radioed over.
They don't. Should we just follow that guy up there?
Yeah.
Where is that? I'm not, I don't know that term. We're coming up from the island. Is it at our 12 o'clock, the one that leads down to the pipes? Mike's down there.
Okay.
Roger, we'll be linking up with you in about 2 minutes if everything goes smooth. Alright guys, Mikey's waiting for us up at 12 o'clock on that road.
Yeah, but is it clear going up to him now?
Is the road clear going up, Mike? Over. I say we take the right side of the road. Use the woods for cover.
Well, that's where that guy was hiding last time, remember? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, no. Ah, fuck. I got hit! Hit!
I got nothing.
I'm just spraying to try to lay down support. Yo! I'm gonna get inside the bush.
Good work.
Reloading, cover me. I got the movement. On it. Back in.